Hey guys, I do a lot of like indoor gardening and things like that, which tends to sometimes attract flies. So I got these sticky fly traps to help with some of that. So what I plan on doing is using some of these and just kind of hanging them up inside of like my grow tent and grow areas to help really keep those flies down. Um, I'll do another review after I actually start using them you can see if they work well or not. But right now, I'm going to say they look good. I haven't cracked any of them open, but I mean, I don't see what could actually be wrong with them. So, what I'm speaking on right now is really the value. I mean, you get 40 of them in a box. You see, they come all rolled up nice and neat. So, they'll stay good until you need them. Again, I think they're probably going to work great in like my grow tent. Also, I plan on every once in a while, especially in the summertime, you have fruit out in the counter, stuff like that. You tend to get flies and gnats. So you could hang up one of these for a while until you get them down. I don't think I would leave it hanging up like full time permanently in my kitchen. I will in my tent, but I think it will probably do a good job of helping to manage and control those. So again, I'll do another review after I actually open them and hang them up and let you see what I think.